Hey guys, it's TK from Profit Stream, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to set up a Binance account and activate its key security features. In this video you're gonna learn how to set up a Binance account and activate its two-factor authentication, which consists of a third-party authentication app and passkeys for added security. So first off, you're gonna open up Binance. Then on the top right, you're gonna hit the sign up button. Now you have three options here. I'm gonna sign in with my email or phone. Now Binance will send you an authentication number on your email. So you just open up your email. The email will look like this. This is the activation code. You just copy it and paste it. Congratulations, now you're a user on Binance. Now, first off, you wanna verify your identity. You just click on verify. You just put in your country. Now when you put in your country, there are three different ways to verify your identity, either by personal information, government issued ID, or liveness check. You put in your personal information. Now you have a document verification. You just take a picture of any of these document types and upload it and save. Now for obvious security reasons, I can't show you how I did the steps, but you need to take a photo of either your driver's license or your ID, and it takes a picture of your face, tells you to blink and shake your head. Congratulations, now you're under review. Now we need to do the two-factor authentication for extra security. Now first off, what is two-factor authentication? Now the two-factor authentication, 2FA, is a security process in which a user provides two different authentication factors to verify their identity. Now for simpler terms, the two-factor authentication is just another lock on your door, so it's less likely that someone's gonna break in. To the left here, you have an account drop-down. You click on security. So now you're on the security page of Binance. So as you can see, the email is already turned on. Okay, you can enable Passkeys, an authenticator app, usually is a third-party app by Google, phone number, and a login password. Now what I like to use is the Authenticator app. Now what does the Google Authenticator app do? The Google Authenticator app adds an extra layer of security to your online accounts by adding a second step of verification when you sign in. It means that in addition to your password, you'll also enter a code that is generated by Google Authenticator app on your phone. Just click on Manage, enable Authenticator app. They send you an email, you copy. So first off, you have to open your Authenticator app on your phone. Then you're gonna scan the QR code. Then the app will show you a 6-digit code, which we'll just put in here. And boom, there you go. Now for even extra layers of security, let's enable passkeys also. Now what are passkeys? Passkeys operate through two distinct keys, one stored on your account and the private key securely stored on the device you use for verification. A notable feature is its versatility. Keys work across multiple devices. So in simpler terms, passkeys is just a more secure way to log into your account using either your fingerprint or Face ID or a PIN code. Add a new authenticator. Continue. This is my email. Now, Chrome is my new authenticator. So, now you know how to set up a Binance account and activate its two-factor authentication, which consists of a third-party authentication app and passkeys. So this is the first video of many to come on Binance, so stay tuned and hit the bell button so you don't miss any updates. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till next time, it's TK from Profit Stream.